Good morning everyone, it's the Journey channel. Today we had like informational vlog.
We have a special mission. So today we are going to go try to extend our visa for 31 days. First of all, the most important part, when you come to Bali, even though you can get 30 days free without any documents, you can get it just on the customs. You don't need to get this one. You have to go and buy visa on arrival, which costs about $35 US. They accept all the currencies and they accept credit cards. So you just go to the counter and buy it there and go to the special line, which is shorter usually, where you get your documents checked and this stamp sticked in your passport. And they also give you one more stamp, which means that you can extend this visa. The free one you can't extend, you just get 30 days and you have to leave the country then. There are two ways how you can do it. You either go to the visa agent and they do all the hassle work for you and you just come to the immigration office once. But for us it's easier to just go to the immigration office because it's close to our home, and anyway it takes just 3 visits and more or less they do the same work as you would do yourself.
So if you live outside of Bukit, like in Canggu and Ubud, it's probably a good idea to get an agent, but we live just 10 minutes from immigration office, so it's not making any sense to pay agents because it costs extra money, so we'll just go by ourselves and show you what process is.
The process takes 3 meetings and today we are going to get the first one and we'll see you from there.
So we reached immigration office, this is it.
And it's closed. It's closed yesterday and today because of Christmas, and tomorrow because of some other holiday, whatever. On Thursday they work just 3 hours, on Friday they work 5 hours. So I guess we'll come just in the morning on Thursday. When you arrived here, first of all you need some documents prepared. You need to do the copies of your passport page, of your visa page. Also you need a proof that you leave country within the period they give you, within this 30 more days. Besides, you need of course your passport. I read online a lot about it. I'm not sure if it's really so important, but you need to have a black pen because they say that there are like lack of pens there and most of them don't work. So we got it all, but it's closed today.
It's a bit strange because I don't expect the Christmas will be a holiday in Bali. By the way, we're looking for a copy there near McDonald's, but I can see the sign here near the immigration center.
The places near the government offices, they really are crowded because everyone goes there, so it's maybe better just to go some random place near your house because there are a lot of them. It says that always there are quite a huge line and it's better to come by opening hours. If it opens at 8, we need to come at 8.
Welcome to 2 days later. It's our second attempt to
get the first appointment.
I hope today we get the application. It's 27th of December, so Christmas passed and everything should work.
But they have a short day today because they have some other celebration.
Indonesian, I suppose.
Yeah, I guess because I couldn't read the name of the holiday. Let's go.
So we arrived to Not Lost. You can orient on this huge black temple from the right side of the road. I suppose today it's working because a lot of bikes here.
I think we are not the first in line.
Okay, let's try. So it was not too hard.
Just took us 1 hour to do all of that.
You just go inside. There is a counter and the girl gives you application form. You fill it. You choose appointment number.
Yeah.
But while we filling application appointment,
it's already passed, so we have to take a new one.
Take a new one. We sit around 25 minutes.
Come to the counter. They take your documents, put your name on the folder file. Then you sit for a few minutes and they call you back and give you the paper to go to the bank and pay for application. And also there is a date when you have to come back for the photos. It's in 10 days, I think.
Today is 27th and we got a numbers of 7th of January of next year.
To take a photo. Again, it's recommended to come really early.
It's not so many people, but I think if you go later, it will be much more. The application form is pretty easy. It's just your...
It's a bit confusing because when we had some questions, we went to the reception and just asked.
Yeah, it's just standard thing. A bit confusing about your occupation address. You don't have an occupation address. I just filled up my mother address. Also, there is a family name.
Say family name abroad.
Yeah. Also, name of reference. You don't need to fill it if you don't making social visa.
Yeah, they do this form for both the social visa and visa extension.
We'll back in 10 days.
They took our passports, so,
so
we just have this paper.
New Year we celebrating without our passports. We're going to bank right now.
They said you should pay today.
There's a list of banks.
You can also pay by ATM, but I think it's safer to go to the bank. See you next year.
10 days passed already. 2019 we celebrate New Year here in Bali. Essentially it was fireworks on the beach, which was pretty cool. Everything exploded around you. We back to immigration office.
We already paid the fee by the bank. We just went to the bank near our home and the guy helped us to fill in the form. We paid in cash and good to go. Today we are going to have the second meeting. We need to go in, take a ticket and take a photo.
Today is 7th of January, but 9th of January we moving to Ubud. Unfortunately we can manage to get our passports till this. We need to go back from Ubud here. So let's go.
We'll get photos.
We finished the photos, was not so hard.
Took us half an hour again.
Nothing complicated really. One thing, there are no queue tickets in the machine. Just go to information counter and they send us to the second counter and they gave us a ticket to D line. We wait for 20 minutes I think. Then there is a process. You go to the room, took your papers, they photo you.
They scan your fingerprint, each finger.
Then you sign. They give you ticket on the next one meeting.
When you go here and pick up your passport.
Or in 4 days. See you.
In 4 days.
Yeah. We arrived on the
third visit to immigration office.
Bring ourselves from Ubud where we live now.
It was 1 hour drive on bike.
We gonna get passports with our visas.
So basically we need to go inside, go to some, I'm not sure which of the counters, but they'll help us I think, and get our passport back because it's been 2 weeks without passports and we really miss them.
Also we need to check dates and visa because sometimes they do mistakes.
And we are leaving Bali on the last day of our extended visa, so we need it to be correct.
So we get our passports back, that they put the stamp with the correct date. It's 6th of February. That's it.
I think the longest visit because it took us about 1 hour. We went straight to the corner. We gave our documents and they told us to just wait for the guy to call our names.
And a lot of people there, so we were one of the last. So it looks like this, just a stamp, and there's a valid date. 6th of February, it's the day where we live in Bali. We have a plane to Malaysia. Basically that's it for this informational video.
I hope it was useful for you.
Yeah, maybe it helped you. If you have any questions, please contact us or ask them in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. See you.
See you next time.